Hello everyone, welcome you back to my channel and my name is Christina Basumatari. So today we will talk about important topic that will be under the National Institutions of India and the part 2 option C and that is Sahitya Academy. Okay, Ami Sahitya Academy kothak pati maji. Okay, jani maru bujim. Hetu kod hobo National Institutions of India part 2 option C. Okay, let's start to our discussion. মই ইয়াতে few MCQs আনিছো ইয়াতে তাৰ পিছত আমি briefly Sahitya Academy in details আমি হেতু বুজিম okay the first question কি আছে what is Sahitya Academy কি হয় it is India's National Academy of Letters হেতু India's National Academy of Letters হয় and it is an organization okay হেতু এটা organization হয় কিয় কাৰণে that is dedicated to the promotion of key literature in the languages of India. Basically, hey Sahitya Academy is all about what? Hetu Bhaka eba languages in India. That is the promotion. Then next question is when was Sahitya Academy founded or found? Sahitya Academy ketia formed hoisile. Apnar answer hobo 12 March 1954. Etu monot thaki loa ঠিক আছে এটো important হয় তো আহিব সাকে now the third question is where is its headquarter Sahitya Academy's headquarter to কোন হব Rabindra Bhavan okay so it is similar with the Nata Academy and Lalit Kala Academy I think the headquarters are same right it is in New Delhi so the next question is present president of Sahitya Academy okay এটো Sahitya Academy হব এতিয়া Ama present president of Sahitya Academy kun hoy etia Chandrasekhar Khambara very important present okay 2020 and the next is publication Sahitya Academy ki publish kore etu hoy Indian literature and also the parent organization to kun hoy Ministry of Culture Government of India okay aru yate dighol hoy question but very important in which year ketia the government of India accepted in principle a proposal of the Royal Asiatic Society of the Bengal that a national cultural trust should be set up to encourage cultural activities in all the fields. Ami eju aji je Sahitya Academy heru ami dekhibo paisu okay this is all related to what background background ki asile hetu Royal Asiatic Society of Bengal hetu ki korisile demand korisile what to form that is to form a national cultural trust related to what all the cultural activities in the fields okay to ya pura ami ki principally ami sabo parim about its organization okay its functions okay about its function see Sahitya Academy formation or hey Royal Asiatic Society of Bengal hat bahut ase okay heru try korisile ya karone ami etia ki paise Sahitya Academy then okay the answer is what ketia 1944 okay the question is here Sahitya Academy is what organization it is an autonomous organization aru hetu ki registered under the Societies Registration Act of 1868 very important hoy okay though hetu set up by the government hoy but hetu ki hoy eta autonomous organization right aru hetu ki kore okay about Sahitya Academy features bila ki hobo it undertake the literary activities okay hetu literary activities ot role ase at episode in what 24 Indian languages English ot thakibo yate aru ki hoy every year Sahitya Academy ki kore at least 50 seminars okay hetu belong hobo regional national aru international levels or ki kore hetu eta gathering to korhe okay it holds the gathering and ate ki hoy along with the workshops hobo okay literary gathering hobo about 300 in number maximum 300 in number okay and under the various heads hetu important hoy various heads ki ase ete meet the author Sambat, Kavisandhi, Aru, Katasandhi, Loka, hetu meaning to hobo, the many voices. After episode, Yuva, Sahitya, etc. Okay? Tate বহুত থাকে ওকে হেতু সোৱা ইয়াতে কনফিউজ নহবা আন্ডাৰ দি সাহিত্য একাডেমি কি থাকিব গ্যাদাৰিং তো হয় তাৰ পিছত গ্যাদাৰিং তো আন্ডাৰ ভেৰিয়াছ হেডস এবা টাইটেলটো হয় হেতু হয় মিট দ্য অথৰ হেতু এটা টপিক দি পিনি গ্যাদাৰিং হ'ব এবা সংবাদ কৈ পিনি এটা গ্যাদাৰিং হ'ব হেবিলা ওকে আৰু তাৰ পিছত কি পাব ইয়াতে ইট গিভস স্পেশাল এৱাৰ্ডস ওকে পুৰস্কাৰ এবা সি এৱাৰ্ডস কল্ড দ্য ভাষা সন্মান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় হেতু আহিব পাৰে ভাষা সন্মান পুৰস্কাৰ এবা এৱাৰ্ডস টু কোনে দিয়ে হেতু সাহিত্য একাডেমি ওকে কাক দিয়ে কিয় দিয়ে that is to significant contribution to the languages okay that is not formally recognized by the academy tate বহুত language ase tate সাহিত্য একাডেমি recognize নকৰে ইয়াৰ কাৰণে হেতু কি হয় হেতু special awards to দিয়া যায় that is ভাষা সন্মান তাৰ পিছত it has also system of electing the eminent writers হেতু eminent writers এবা বহুত prominent writers to elect কৰিব as what as the fellows আমি গম পাই fellows আৰু তাৰ পিছত honorary fellows okay and has also established fellowship in the names of Dr. Anant Kumaraswamy and the Premchand apuna hedu monot rakhi lua okay that is ki hoy established fellowship kar namot in the names of Dr. Anand Kumaraswamy and the Premchand moving to the next it has launched Sahitya Academy has launched centers for translations okay that's Sahitya Academy bhitorot board centers take okay for what translations aru tar center to ki hobo Bangalore center Ahmedabad hobo Kolkata Delhi okay and an archive of Indian literature in Delhi then ki hobo eta that is a project office eta project office hobo kor hobo okay that is the Northeastern Hill University campus Shillongot okay কিহৰ কাৰণে that is promotion of the tribal and the oral literature very important now আজি আমি গম পাই হে constitutionত কিমান recognized languages আছে 22 languages ঠিক আছে হে 22 languages হেতু ইউজ কৰিব এবা ইমপ্লিমেন্ট কৰে but 22 languagesত কি থাকিব আৰু দুটা থাকিব that's why আমি previous slide কি পাইছিলে 24 languages say 22 তো আমাৰ constitutionত আছে দিয়া আছে তাৰ পিছত কি ৰাজস্থানী আৰু ইংলিছো ইউজ কৰিব পাৰে আৰু বহুত প্ৰগ্ৰাম বিলাক হে languages ওপৰত ইমপ্লিমেন্ট কৰিব পাৰে তাৰ পিছত আমি functions of the Sahitya Academy পঢ়িম এতিয়া Edu ki kore it organizes the national and the recognized workshops and the seminars. Sahitya Academy ki organize kore national level korebo that is workshops aru seminars tapte party dibo thik ase aro it provides research okay research aru travel grants to the authors okay authors bila ki dibo eta ha research opportunity dibo tar bisot travel grants bilak dibo okay ata bisot publish books kore আর তাৰ পিছত journals publish কৰে right all about the literature আৰু it presents the annual Sahitya Academy award of rupees how much 1 lakh very important in which of the 24 languages আমি 24 languages এটা গম পালো ডিসকাস কৰিলো okay as well as the হেতু কিও provide কৰে Sahitya Academy fellowship for the lifetime achievement okay then it publishes 2 bi-monthly literary journals হেতু কি কৰে okay 2 bi-monthly means in a month ki mane sorry 2 months ha within 2 months ki kore it publishes literary journals and that is the ki hobo Indian literature in English and the Samkalin Bharatiya Sahitya in the Hindi okay and the first general hetu board important hoy and the first general council of the academy included kun asile general council of members ki kon asile Abul Kalam Azad, S. Radhakrishnan, C. Rajagopalachari, aru K. M. Panikkar, K. M. Munshi, and Zakir Hussain. Okay, remember hedu bohor important hoy. Okay, first president of Sahitya Academy kun asile amma prime minister, former prime minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Right. Same next. Aru Radhakrishnan, S. Radhakrishnan ketia hoisile president of Sahitya Academy hetu Jawaharlal Nehru pesot. Okay, that is in 1958. আৰু গোপীচন্দ নাৰায়ণ কেতিয়া হৈছিলে 2003 হেতু ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় আৰু সাহিত্য একাডেমি কি কৰে ইট ইজ ৰান বাই 3 অথৰিটিজ সাহিত্য একাডেমিত 3 অথৰিটিজ টু কি ৰান কৰে হেতু কোন হ'ব এটা হ'ব জেনাৰেল কাউন্সিল আমি ইয়াতে ডিটেইলছ ডিসকাস নকৰো বিকজ ইমান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট নহয় ওকে আৰু হেতু গম পালে হ'ব Sahittya Academy is run by 3 authorities. Eta authority hobo General Council, tate president thakibo aru bhut organization eba institution, okay, eba members thakibo tate aru executive board ki koribo, even budget prepare koribo, annual budget he bilak bahut kam thake tate, aru finance commission yate ki hobo financial advisor thakibo. Thik ase, etu asile important topics regarding the Sahitya Academy. Okay, so I hope you all have liked this channel and my explanation also. Okay, I hope আপোনালোকে mo channel bhal paise, tar bison mok like aro jodi subscribe koribo mon ase, okay, please subscribe kori liwa. Okay, etu bahut important, hetu mor karone eta motivation hoy. Thik ase, thank you so much, bye bye and take care.